Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super exciting. How to transfer your Shiba Inu tokens from Coinbase to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Shiba Inu is one of the hottest tokens out there, and moving it to MetaMask gives you more control for trading or staking. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and MetaMask. If you don't have MetaMask yet, download it from the official website and create a wallet. It's an Ethereum-based wallet, and since Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token, this is perfect. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account and head to your dashboard. Find your Shiba Inu balance under the Assets section. Double-check that you have enough tokens to cover any network fees. Remember, Ethereum transactions aren't free. Step 2. Open your MetaMask app or extension. Ensure it's connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Now, copy your MetaMask wallet address by going to the account details. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip. Always verify this address to prevent sending your tokens to the wrong place. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, navigate to the Send or Withdraw option for Shiba Inu. Paste your MetaMask address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the details. Coinbase might ask for a network confirmation, so select Ethereum as the network. Step 4. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a transaction summary. Coinbase will process it, but keep an eye on the status. It could take a few minutes due to network congestion. Once it's done, head back to MetaMask. Step 5. In MetaMask, refresh your wallet, and you should see your Shiba Inu tokens appear. If they don't show up right away, give it a bit more time or check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check addresses and fees. Also, in 2025, keep an eye on any updates to Coinbase or MetaMask interfaces. These steps might evolve, but the core process stays similar. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred your Shiba Inu to MetaMask. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.